Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with the Dream Team, Beth from Beth Ramsden, Tammy from Peacecraft Dolls, and Jay from J Dolls UK, we are making summer dresses for Smart Dolls. This is our first Smart Doll collaboration. We usually do Blythe Dolls, and I was very excited about it. My idea was to use this fabric from Hell. I'm not sure if it is actually chiffon or just a nylon blend, but I had a hard enough time keeping the front and the back straightened out, which was which. My idea was to take this pattern that I found online. This is a free pattern from LumiEthitar.com. If I say that name wrong, I apologize. And I knew that the top would be too big because I had already made my Smart Doll a halter out of this. And I knew I would need to tweak the pattern a little bit more than I had the first time. I also and then I made the halter and then I added a skirt with a ruffle. Then I thought, because this is such light and breezy summer fabric, which I really do like, I made her panties to match. Now this one came from Missy Adkinson's, another free online 1/3 doll pattern. I did not tweak this one. I made it as was. I will make this again in stretch fabric. I used this fabric to match in case her dress blew up. You wouldn't notice it. However, with the Smart Doll legs, I thought in the beginning that I could just pull a leg off, you know, like you do an arm or whatever, and come to find out, not a good idea. So I cut the pants back apart and added Velcro. But I do want to show you how well they fit. Imagine a seam here. In case you want to use this pattern, I did not tweak this much at all. Just I cut it and I used it. I thought it worked out well. And I thought that the dress, well, it needs a few tweaks, but I'm pretty pleased with it all in all. I wish the ruffle were shorter. Well, not shorter this way, but when I cut the fabric, I wouldn't have cut such a long piece. I think 28 inches would have been better than 31, but all in all, I think it worked out well. So here's her little dress, and I wanted to show you the back. I left a hole for the stand to go through, but I used a hook and eye at the, well, what would you call that? Not really the waist, above the waist, and then a snap up top. It just worked out better. Are there some areas I wish were different? Of course. I have yet to sew anything I haven't felt that way. But all in all, even with the ruffle that should have been cut a little shorter and not so, well, ruffled, I'm pleased with the dress, and I'm really glad we did this collab. Thank you, Beth, Jay, and Tammy. I cannot wait to see what summer dresses you made your Smart Dolls today. Please go by and see each one. I have linked their channels into my probably title, depending on how long the title is, but certainly in the description. Thank you everyone for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.